This is the EZDIY-FAB ARGB Shield Upright GPU Mount, a new way to showcase your graphics card with style and precision. It redefines GPU mounting, offering a unique vertical presentation that lets you build truly stand out. Inside the box, you'll find all the components you need for installation. You can choose between two mounting methods. Magnetic mounting for easy placement on the flat metal surface at the bottom of your case. Fan mounting for installation directly on a 120mm cooling fan position. If you choose the magnetic option, simply assemble the vertical bracket and the bottom stem using the included screws. No extra steps required. It's that simple. For fan installation, first remove the magnetic base by taking out these two black screws. Then remove these 8 screws to detach the magnetic plate. Finally, mount the bottom stand onto a 120mm cooling fan using the included screws. Once done, reassemble the two bottom stand parts using the same 2 black screws. Assemble the vertical bracket and the bottom stem with these screws. The Shield ARGB upright GPU mount supports 20 degrees of left and right rotation, allowing you to fine-tune your display angle. Next, install the Gen 5 riser cable using the 2 included screws. Connect the 90-degree HDMI or DisplayPort adapter to your graphics card. Connect your HDMI or DisplayPort cable. When installing your graphics card, make sure the 90-degree adapter you already attached doesn't get caught on the bracket. After the GPU is in place, don't forget to tighten the mounting screws. Remove the necessary PCIe slot to make space for your display cable to route it out through the case opening. Connect the Gen vibrator cable to the PCIe slot on your motherboard. Make sure it's fully sated for stable signal transmission. Connect the GPU power cable to the graphics card. Here recommended to use our Shield 12V 2x6 or 8-pin GPU power adapters for a nice and clean cable management. They both come with 90, 180 degree, and standard reverse versions for different graphics cards on the market. Finally, connect the 3-pin ARGB cable to the 3-pin header on your motherboard or lighting hub to power up the RGB effect. Next, we'll share some tips and recommendations for installing the Shield ARGB upright GPU mount. These are important things to keep in mind whether you're going for magnetic installation or fin installation. In the following examples, we'll demonstrate using the Montech King 95 Pro and Trex Luca L70 cases. Here we have the Montech King 95 Pro, a dual-chamber mini tower case, measuring 475mm long, 300mm wide, 442mm tall, according to Montech's official specifications. We first used the Zotac Gaming RTX 5050 Twin-Age, a dual-fan GPU, and tested in both magnetic and fan-mounted configurations. As you can see, there's plenty of room at the top of the case for cooling fans or an all-in-one CPU cooler under both setups. Next, we switched to the Asus Prime RX 9070 XT, a triple-fan GPU, one magnetically mounted at the bottom. There's limited clearance above, enough for cooling fans only. However, one installed on a 120mm cooling fan, there's no remaining space on top for additional cooling components. If your graphics card is longer, such as the Asus TUF Gaming RTX 5070, it will only fit one magnetically mounted at the bottom, and you won't be able to install a top cooling fan. And for bigger bits, like the ARGB Astral RTX 5090, it will not fit in the Montech King 95 Pro or any other cases with similar internal dimensions. Next, we have the Trex Luca L70, a tall main tower case measuring 540mm long, 262mm wide, 572mm tall. Based on Trex's website, this case provides more vertical clearance compared to the King 95 Pro. We tested the Asus TUF Gaming RTX 5070 first in both magnetic and fan-mounted installations. There was ample space above for cooling fans or an all-in-one CPU cooler setup. We then tested the RT Astro RTX 5090 using both installation methods, and the results were similar. there was still sufficient clearance at the top for fans or an all-in-one cooling system. To summarize our findings, we've created a compatibility chart comparing case dimensions and GPU length. We hope this helps you better understand how to install and plan your setup with the EZDIY-FAB Shield ARGB upright GPU mount for optimal space and cooling performance. Last but not least, here are some good-to-know tips when installing the Shield ARGB upright GPU mount using the fan installation method. If your PC case mounts the bottom fan by inserting screws from the outside of the case through the case bottom into the fan, then you can use short screws to secure the Shield ARGB upright GPU mount onto the 120mm fan. If your PC case mounts the bottom fan by using long screws that pass through the fan and are fastened to the case from the inside, then you will need to use long screws to secure the Shield ARGB upright GPU mount and the 120mm fan together onto the case bottom.